Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel where we bring you education and information about opportunities to make money online and offline. My name is John Kennedy, and this video I bring you another breaking news of the sterling performance of the Ultron coin so far. So watch out this video to the end and see the sterling move of the Ultron coin price. So in this video, I'm showing you that the Ultron coin ULX coin price skyrockets from 0.01 from the launch to 0.12, 12 times increase in 3 months, 10 days. Ultron coin was launched on the 1st of June 2022 at the price of 1 cent, and in 3 months, 10 days, today, 10th of September, as I do this video, the price is live at 12 cents. That's 12 times increase. 12 times increase. Only God knows where we will be by the end of this year or within the next 3 months. We can see $1 in sight, $1 is in view. And so I want you to come in and let's explore the price on CoinMarketCap, and then we go to the decentralized exchange of Ultron Foundation and we verify the current price and the movement of this super coin. Let's get inside and see for yourself. All right, so let's go first to the CoinMarketCap, so you can see that is the live price right now at CoinMarketCap 1281, 0.1281. That is 12 cents, almost 13 cents already, and who knows, by the close of the day we could cross 13 cents or even 14 or 15 cents. Anything is possible. And so just look at it. That is 12 cents. That's about 12.85 cents, and anything is possible. You can look at the previous performances of the price. That's the history of the price movement, so you can see it from the 23rd August when Ultron coin was launched on the CoinMarketCap or listed on the CoinMarketCap. You can see the performance from 0.02, that's 2 cents, or a little bit close to 3 cents, and then it has been moving up until today. Today is the 10th of September, 9th of September. You could see the price, the movement, the high price that was 0.1175, and then the closing was 0.1152. But right now you can see the price at 12 cents. So Ultron coin, ULX coin is marvelously moving, and we are expecting explosive performance in the days ahead. And then let's go verify on the own DEX, the Ultron's own DEX. So when you scroll down, you can see the price there, 12 cents. So that is the price right now. But if you want to look at the details and maybe see the other digits, that's about 4 decimal places, then we can go to the swap, go to the Ultron swap, and then you can see the figure there. So you can see that this is the live update, the live price. So 1 ULX, so this is the time, 9:56 a.m. 1 ULX is equal to 0.1260 USDT. So that's a little above 12 cents, getting close to 13 cents. So that is the price currently of the Ultron coin on the decentralized exchange of the Ultron Foundation. And so you can see your balances. You can also check your portfolio and then see all the coins that you have there, and then the farming, the staking, and everything will appear here for you to see the state of your account. So right now I'm doing liquidity farming, and my daily earnings are what I am harvesting here. And so here you can see the live price of the coin in the swap in your portfolio. So you can see it there. This ULX, that's the only coin I'm holding right now. So you can see that I have 541.498 harvested from my farming, liquidity farming daily. I harvest and then I put it here. And so you can see that at the price of 12 cents, this is the total amount of this number of Ultron coins that I have. And so you can see my farm staked. This is the total value of the stake right now in the liquidity farm or in the pool that I'm providing liquidity. It is worth 2,000. As the price of the coins go up, it increases the value of your stake in the farm as well. And so it keeps going up. If the price should go to $1, you will see that this price will increase commensurate with the number of utility tokens that I am staking in the farm. And so that is it. You come down here and then you see that the performance at the current time if you refresh at the farm, you will see the total number of coins that are on the farm right now, which you haven't harvested, and then you will see their dollar value as well. So just get money. I want to just give you two quick advices before I end this video. Number one, those of you who have the staking hub on Mavi, I will admonish, don't turn off the auto stake on. Don't turn off the auto stake, at least for the next 1 year. Let the auto stake off be on for 1 year, and then you double your coins. And then after the 1 year, if you want to turn it off and then start withdrawing your daily earnings, it will do. Because if you double the number of coins you have right now, it will give you advantage in terms of the number of coins you'll be earning the subsequent year, because the 0.2 would have halved and then it will be 0.1. And so if you double the coins, it means what you'll be earning at 0.1 will be the same as what you are earning at 0.2. So that is my candid opinion and admonition to you. So at least keep it on. If you can keep it on for the 2-3 years, that is a plus. You earn about 300% plus. But if you can't, at least discipline yourself for the first year. By June 1st next year, then you can turn it off, and then you can begin to get an appreciable number of Ultron coins. By that time, the price of the Ultron coin would have gone up appreciably, and then if you take any number of coins, it will be something worth. But today, if you take the coins and you want to sell them, it's only 12 cents. It's early days here to be thinking of selling coins now. And then the second admonition I want to give is for you to get additional coin on the decentralized exchange and then provide liquidity or stake so that you can earn. Let me show you an example. So here you can see that I'm providing liquidity to the wrap ETH and then the ULX pair. That is the pool I am in, and so you can see that this is my earning right now. I've just harvested what I harvested. That's what you saw in my wallet there. And so you can click on it and then it will refresh and update and show you where we are right now. So you can see that I have 84 tokens that I am staking, and that is worth 2,478. And currently it has yielded 20 Ultron coins, which is worth $2.5. So by the minute, by the seconds, by the hours, you keep updating it and you see that the number is increasing. So that is a passive way of earning income. You see, if you keep your coins in your wallet for the price to go up, and then you will sell. Once you sell them, it's like you are rearing a hen and then you are selling the hen because the price of hens have gone up. But once you sell the hen, that is the end. It means you don't have anything to sell again. So I will advise that instead of just waiting for the price to go up and then you sell the coins, once you sell the coins, you don't have anything again. Let's assume the price goes to $10 and then you have 1,000 Ultron coins and you decide to sell all of them because 1,000 will give you 10,000. And then after selling them, after 2 months, 3 months, you see that the price has gone to $20 per coin, $30. And I strongly believe Ultron coin is going to go above $100 as the years progress. So let's assume you sold all your coins and then at $10 and the price goes to $100. You see that you'll be cursing yourself and be cursing your stars. So what I will advise is leave your coins on the Mavi, let them be multiplying, and then get some money, purchase some coins, and then get another pair, and then start farming. And then you'll be earning daily passive income. What you are earning here, you can be selling that one, and then your principal will still be generating passive income for you on daily basis. So that is what I plan to do. My Mavi account is there. I can show you, I can log in for you to see. I'm never going to turn off the auto stake at any time soon. And so let me just show you quickly. So I leave that one there, and then I am providing liquidity here, and then I'll be earning passive income. So this is my Mavi back office. Let me show you my staking hubs. All right, so there you are. You can see my base stake is 31,500 ULX. And then because of the daily earning, it is worth 35,600 right now. So by the end of next year, when the first year would have ended 1st of June, at least I will get 60 USD or 60 ULX coins in my stake. So you can see I have 3 of them, 2 basic and 1 light. That gives me 500. And so all this one is intact. I'm not going to touch them. And then you can see that apart from that, I have my liquidity farming here I am doing. So this is what I am going to be earning from. Anytime the price appreciates and then I need some quick cash, all I will do is I will come to the swap, and then you see I have 500 here. On daily basis, I'm earning about 150 to 170 Ultron coins. So I've just added them. So this is just the third day, which is early days yet, and then I'll be adding them. So if I want to sell anything when the price goes up, I'll just come here and then sell a few of them and make some quick cash. The main balance or the principal is still there and is generating passive income for me. So those are the two advices I have for you. Looking at the performance of the Ultron coin, we can see that it is set for the moon. You can see if the Ultron coin is going up, and you can see we are 12 cents. By the close of next week, we could be 15 cents anywhere. And then we are moving to $1, and then we will get to $10, and then we'll get to $100 maximum at a certain point. So thanks for watching. Just keep your fingers crossed, discipline yourself, don't start selling right now, and don't turn off the auto stake on your Mavi staking hubs, and then get something and start earning passive income on the DEX. And then we see what happens in the next few months. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.